Namaste guys. Last class we had a discussion about supply chain management. What are the objectives of the supply chain management, importance of the supply chain management, and major drivers in supply chain management. And this session we are going to talk about network design in supply chain. So before that, just a quick recall, what is that supply chain? Supply chain, it starts from the supplier who is having that raw material, supply the raw material to the manufacturer, convert this raw material into finished goods. These finished goods moves to the wholesaler, from the wholesaler to retailer, and then end with that customer. Here the flow of the information, money and material flowing in the both directions. Then network design in supply chain. So before going to design our supply chain network, we have to take a crucial decision: the facility role, facility allocation, capacity allocation, market and supply allocation. Facility, it is one of the important drivers in supply chain that we discussed in the last class. Facility can be a manufacturing plant or can be a retail outlet. So what is the size of your facility or where the facility should be located? Then second decision while designing the supply chain network, it is at facility location, where your facility should be located. For example, manufacturing plant, the facility should be located where the raw material is available, that factory should be located. And a retail outlet should be located in the customer interaction space. So a typical example of Walmart, it is one of the retail giant. They are located in the major city outside. Then because of the land cost is very cheap and cost advantage. In 24/7 another retail giant, it is located in the major city because of the easy convenience of purchasing. Then third decision, capacity allocation. What is the size of your factory? So how many machines you are having, that how many product you are going to produce in a day. So that is a capacity of the factory, or the capacity allocation of the retail outlet. What is the size of your retail outlet? How many products are accommodated in a retail outlet? Then fourth decision, market and supply allocation. Which facility supply to which market, or which supplier supply to which facility. So both has a significant impact on performance and it must be reconsidered on a regular basis. Say example, Amazon had to consider new allocation as it increased the number of facility in order to reduce the cost. So while designing the supply chain network, you have to take these four key decisions. Then what are the factors influencing the supply chain network design? So number one is a strategic factor. The strategic factor, it is a locational factors. So it's a convenience store, many facilities for the responsiveness, quick responsiveness. So what is the location advantage given to your company? So that is a strategic factor. And number two is a technology factor. The technology factor is that suppose what technologies you are having. That Japanese company, they are having the very good manufacturing of electronic products. German companies, they are very good in that technology in the automobile products. So what kind of technologies you are having that. Then third is that macroeconomic factors, taxes, tariff, incentives, exchange rate of the country, and then the free trade zone area, production in exported, tariff and tax rate are reduced. So these are macroeconomic factor, how it is influencing or impacting your business. Then political and infrastructure facility. So you have to find out the location is a politically stable country or a good political environmental country. The country is a clear legal system and what is that the good infrastructure, good connectivity of rail, road, air and sea mode connectivity. Then competitive factors. How your company can give a good competitive advantage or set the benchmark for your competitors in terms of price or in terms of quality, in terms of the delivery of the product. Then talk about the customer response time and local presence. So convenience store must locate close to the customer, while the discount stores do not need to be close. Customers are ready to travel to buy larger quantity with lower prices. With faster transportation, often facilities can be consolidated and away from the customer. And the last factor is that logistic cost and facility cost. So inventory storage, material handling cost, transportation cost also consider the impact in the network design of the supply chain. Thank you.